Hey guys, welcome back to the videos. It's me again. So yeah, I know it's been a really long time since I did my last video. After the tour de Langkawi, I've been traveling around. So yeah, after tour de Langkawi, I got sick. I had high fever about 2 weeks before I flew off to Turkey. That was a family vacation with the in-laws. Anyways, welcome back to the videos. Thanks for watching. So today I will be doing a long delayed project, which is my Allez Sprint bike check. It's for you guys. I've got many requests for the bike check, but I haven't got the chance to do it. So yeah, this video will be about that bike. I've had it about almost a year. I think it's almost a year because that bike is the 2019 colorway. Yeah, the bike check will be coming right after this in 3, 2, 1, and oh yeah, so before the bike check, something came up. Since it's the movement control order, everyone has to stay at home for almost 2-3 weeks now. Basically, they extended it for another 2 weeks, which I personally think it's a good move by our government because the graph isn't going down yet. Everyone just stay home, stay safe, wash your hands, stay clean. Yeah, listen what your government says. Stay home, because we do not want it to spread not only to yourself but also to everyone else. So yeah, continue with the bike check.
I was raised in the slums, do it for the culture. I let that spotlight come and find me, I might pop a molly. I'm a Chanel bag, you hags, more like Abercrombie. I might Kawasaki the dick, ride him like a Harley. He give me face in perfect timing, how he FaceTime me. He keep my cash app jumping, bitch, that shit is hyphy. I could see why you hating, why you never like me. Cause he keep my wrist shining, ho, I'm so